So,
I believe this deserves
round 2,
No.
actually,
Yeah,
of slaps.
Round
Round
two.
2.
I do believe Limp Bizkit brings back
playing.
deserves to be rewound back.
Yes.
It
And
really does.
yeah.
Give Jonathan 2 seconds because he's about to do that.
we're about to neck this back.
No. Limp Bizkit, bring it back, rewind it back. Right from the beginning.
Give us a second, folks. We need this shit. And where the fuck are you?
Yeah.
There, you're back here.
No, you've not rewound it.
I did.
Right, slaps. Round 2.
Round 2, drink.
Oh,
Drink. You're gonna take a drink, you know. This is the way it is. 1, 2, 3, 4,
cunts.
fuck. Tastes like shit.
Okay.
Ready? Oh, fuck.
Shit.
Ready?
No.
No, that's what she said.
That's my wrist. Gone. Ow.
Ready? Okay.
She's especially when she felt that fucking airport.
Ready? Ready? Oh, I'm not ready for this either. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Ready? Ready?
No.
Gosh. Oh, fuck. Oh, my head. No more. No more.
We got one last.
One last.
One last.
Right,
Go
one
on.
more. Oh, fuck.
What a song.
Ah, ladies and
What a
gents,
song.
you just witnessed the bitch out of my fucking head.
What a song,
Pain is temporary, you know. Just gotta punch the way for it.
Dills is rolling.
Dills is rolling. We're gonna go live to Dills is rolling on the bed.
Oh.
That's what she said. Ow. Hey Beth, you're missing a treat here. Asshole. That's exactly what Bull does, you know. Love you all in Worcester. You in Worcester. Love you all, you beautiful people.